Okay, so I got this new BERG paddle mixer, and I got the ring on the bottom. This is 8 mil, which is just what I wanted. I didn't want it any, I think the next one up was 12 or 10 or whatever, bigger. And it really gets with the program. That's a dry mix there. Happy I got that, and I'm happy that I didn't buy the cheap one. So what am I doing? I'm doing this roofing job, and we got a weak wall. So I ground this all out with the mini grinder with the diamond blade. Soaked it down a couple times. It's a hot day in England, so I'm going to wet it one more time. Then I'm going to fill that with that mortar. I've got a couple of boards here to keep it from falling over. And hope for the best. I'm going to do some on the inside too, but not a lot today. So let me get this done right now. So basically a little bit stronger than 4-to-1. Not a whole lot stronger, but a bit stronger than 4-to-1. And that's what we're doing. 4-to-1 sand, 4 sand, 1 cement. In this case it's sharp sand. 4 sharp sand, 4 scoops, whatever size your scoop is. You're going to make a big scoop, it's still the same. 4-to-1. Okay, talk to you later.